Hi, Nick with Above and Beyond Performance Car Care. Checking in with you. I am standing in our new space coming this year. I am very excited for what's coming for Above and Beyond Performance Car Care, for our clients, for our staff. This place means a lot to me and has been a lot in the making. This place also hits a little bit differently. If you follow me, I'm going to show you a little bit more in regards to what makes this place so special. I can't reveal too much right now in regards to the space itself, but I can share with you this one thing that's got me very excited. Follow me. So car culture. 10 years, our 10-year anniversary for carsandcoffeenj.com is right here in the business park. Above and Beyond Performance Car Care is going to be moving to, which is super exciting. We have been a sponsor of Cars and Coffee NJ for 10 years now. So if you look behind me, we have an event going on. This is, I believe, our August show, so our end of the summer show. And then we have a couple more shows to end the season. But what's so great about this is for once every month, we're able to help and guide our clients or potential clients now that we have the exposure to the car event itself. So we're going to be able to showcase a lot of our services and be present during the time of the show to help support our customers' needs, which has me very excited and obviously is a great opportunity. But the opportunity is being closer connected to the car culture and the show itself that we've been a part of for so long. So kind of just tightening up the network even tighter and look forward to what's coming into the future. So if you want to follow me and just come around and check out some cars today. All right, well, thank you for checking in with us today. I hope you are as ready as I am. We look forward to serving our clients here in our new business park coming this fall. Your new experience starts here.